Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is talk about Tangem Pay. So this is a brand new product that Tangem is coming out with. So we're gonna give you all the details that we have on this episode. So if you guys can so kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Is this something that you're excited about? Me personally, which we're going to talk about in this episode, I think this is beyond an exciting step. This is the next phase of crypto and integrating it with other users who aren't even in crypto. So I think this is going to be a big deal, and we're going to talk about that in this episode. So guys, if you haven't already, head over to Tangem on Twitter. You want to be in there to get the latest and greatest news. If you guys don't know what Tangem is, currently what they do is they offer cold storage wallets. So what you can do is you can pick up one of their products. I have a link tree. I'll share it at the end of the video. But this is a Tangem card, right? Fits in your wallet, very convenient. We'll talk about that. But compared to something like a Trezor or a Ledger, they both do the same thing. You're going to be given 12 to 24 words. In fact, in the old ones, you actually don't even get access to your words. You can't see them, but it is encrypted. But ultimately, what happens with these wallets is that you own your seed phrase. You own your crypto in a self-custodial or non-custodial fashion. Okay. So what that means is that a third party like a bank, a centralized exchange, they are not holding funds for you. You hold them yourself. Right? So there's more authority, but also a little more responsibility on that end. So we're going to talk about their next phase, which is, I guess I shouldn't call it a next phase, but their next product, which is Tangem Pay. And this is where we're going to get the possibility of spending our crypto with Visa. So that's what we're going to get into in this video. So I do have some notes set aside. Guys, comment down below if you're excited about this. There have been a couple of key things here that are going on. So if you guys look on the screen, this is where you're going to get the best information. You've got a representative from Visa. You also have Anna and another representative from Tangem. So this is where I got a lot of this information. You get to answer the story behind Tangem Pay, its core idea, and how they're integrating, etc. So at the end of the day, here's what's important. Okay, so self-custodial, simple to use. With Tangem Pay, this is going to be a new product. And what you can imagine this product being like is a card that is shipped to you. Okay, in the card, it's integrated with Visa. Okay, so it's Tangem Visa card, basically. And you can use it when you go to buy coffee, when you go buy something at the store. And what you're going to be able to do is link your current Tangem or other wallet. So at the beginning of the video, they even mentioned that if you have something like a Trezor or a Ledger, a different hardware wallet, this is what I assume, so don't quote me on it, but I believe you'll be able to link that to this card. Okay, so it's going to be a new product, a new card, but for this card, you'll be able to use it as a Visa card. Okay, so depending on what you have linked to it in terms of your self-custodial crypto, you'll be able to link it to this card and spend it, right? So I think that's really cool. I think that's really awesome. So let's talk about a couple of other things that I have written down here as well. Yeah, so self-custodial is priority. Even Visa, the fact that they're aware of it, the fact that they're open to the interoperability of all this, I think is very massive, right? So any existing product will not be affected, right? So you can link a Ledger, Trezor hardware wallet. If you guys are not even a Tangem user, you can still take part in Tangem Pay. If you don't have one yet, still take part in Tangem Pay. Use the hardware wallet you already have, or MetaMask even. So that's really cool. I think this is really smart and really, really, really cool. So once you receive the card, you activate it, and you connect your existing card. So let's say you have a Tangem card, you connect it. So basically, you'll be able to sign transactions with the cards through tap with the linked account that you have. So you can imagine that, right? The terminal will approve yes or no if you have enough crypto. So obviously it's going to have to be compliant. You're going to have to, give up certain information. So that's going to be there. At the end of the day, think about Visa, right? Visa has, I think it's 130 million merchants around the world. If not more, who knows at this point in time. But think of the local gas stations that you go to. Think about, when you go to a coffee shop, right? This system is already set to be used, right? So we're not going to try to change that. What we're going to do is have this Tangem Pay product, this new card that you can link up your non-custodials to, and now you can pay using your non-custodial crypto. And I think that's fantastic. Honestly, it gets the moose loose, so that's something I'll mention. It is slated for a Q4 release, early Q1 2025. I think that's going to be the latest estimate. So we don't know if that's going to happen for sure, but that's what they're trying to do. So if anybody's going to Token 2049, is that in Singapore? Yeah, Singapore. That's happening like really soon. If you guys are going to that, shout out to you, because I'm not going. I wish I was. Other than that, we've got the Tangem Ring updates. I'll be doing a different video on that, but I think this is a monumental thing. I don't think that people are ready for this. Like, this is what I've been talking about, not just with Meld, not just with other projects, but this is where crypto is going, right? We're not going to change the way crypto is going, and we're not even trying to get more users from outside of crypto to get in here, because quite frankly, it's going to be difficult. It's almost easier to just get the people that are already in crypto, that are aware, to bring us to Visa and to integrate that way. So guys, comment down below. What do you think about this product idea? I think it's great. I assume the way it will work is you'll go to Tangem, you'll sign up for a Tangem Pay card, you'll get it sent to you, you'll have a specific way to back it up or something. And basically it's Tangem, and what they did is they partnered with Visa and they made a specific chip so that when you tap the card, you'll be able to pay for things using your non-custodial assets. So I think that's wild. I think it's cool. It's no slouch of a project here. So guys, head over to the link tree. Speaking of Tangem, if you want, you can pick one up. You pick up a different hardware wallet if one suits you more. I've done tons of videos as well, guys. Head over to the channel, type in Tangem. If you want to get a direct comparison of different products, also how to set one up, things I like about Tangem, things I don't like as much, my top hardware wallets from 2024. I got videos on this to help you. So type in hardware wallet or Tangem. We've got those for you. Guys, follow them, please, on Twitter. This is for your own benefit. So nothing in this video is financial advice. Invest, buy at your own risk. But guys, use code MOOSE. If you're going to do anything, if you're going to get to the point where you're thinking about getting a Tangem and then you're like, I'm going to get a Tangem under $50, you can pick up a Tangem. You can get a 3-card set and get beautiful color ones and save money. You can pick up a Tangem ring and pre-order one using code MOOSE. Get loose, save 10%. So with that being said, the moose is loose. I'm pumped about this. We'll see you in the next one.